But within the broader Microsoft ecosystem, we've started building tools for you to more effectively build what we like to call flows, prompt flows, to accomplish this type of goal. And so I want to pass it back so we can see how to use prompt flows to create a single function. Alrighty, so now it's time to learn about PromptFlow. So this is what it looks like. It's a website that you can go to within Azure, within the Machine Learning Studio. And if you go to PromptFlow, which it is in preview, not everyone has access to it yet, but if you have access, what you're able to do is create flows where you can define a bunch of different nodes. This is one of the sample ones that allow you to ask a question of Wikipedia, and then string them together as a flow or like a pre-configured, pre-canned plan. So in this particular flow, what we're doing is we're writing some Python scripts to get some article from Wikipedia, similar to what we did with C#, do some extra processing on the results, and once we're done, we pass it on to a prompt. This is similar but different than our summarization prompt because this one is actually asking us to provide answers to a question. And this prompt helps us get sources so that we can tell the user how to fact check whatever comes from the LLM. Now, unfortunately, there isn't some really fancy easy button that allows you to turn this into an AI plugin for ChatGPT or for Semantic Kernel. But what you can do is you can use the endpoints that they give you. Here we're opening up the real-time endpoint. So one, we can test it, so we can actually run this and see how many members are in Navajo. That's one of the samples. We'll see what the results look like. As of 2021, it gives us some details, and here's those sources that I mentioned earlier, which is pretty neat. And it gives us some instructions on how to actually consume it, most notably in C#. And so what I have done is taken this code and changed it just a little bit and added it to our Wikipedia plugin. So here we can see a new endpoint that I've created called Get Answers from Wikipedia, and we're calling this endpoint from PromptFlow and returning the results. And to make sure we don't confuse the planner, I've gone ahead and commented out the other endpoints. So now we've just created a plugin with a single function. So I've already got it running. Let's go ahead and go to the Swagger file just to test things out. So we'll go back here, open up the Swagger. We could ask the same question, but that's kind of boring. Let's ask, when was Microsoft founded? Click execute. And this is then going to call that prompt flow that we had just shown you. And it gives us an answer. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, and it even gives us the source. Hopefully this date is correct. And now, just to complete the circle, complete the demo, let's go back to our chat copilot, load in our new plugin, HTTP localhost 7071. Enable it. And now we can ask our bot, when was Microsoft founded? And it's going to think. It should give us a plan back to get an answer from Wikipedia. We can say, yes, please proceed. And in a bit, we should get our answer back from the bot, which is all super, super cool. Same answer. Awesome.